Kua takoto te manuka. The leaves of the manuka tree have been placed. The challenge has been laid. I can remember my days of substance misuse. The time where it was exciting, and then to the time that it became quite necessary, to the time that I couldn't get out of bed without it. There was a sense of brokenness and almost hopelessness within my henengaro, within my mind, within my mental health, was all deteriorating. I remember my whānau had an intervention because they had deep concerns about where this pathway of mine was going, which resulted in myself ending up in a residential rehabilitation program up in Auckland. I was very disconnected from what it meant for me to be Māori. A lifetime of challenging exactly how I'd fit in with my peers, with other people. I remember day 2 within this rehab that I was attending, there was a pōwhiri, and I remember hearing a kāranga, and I could just feel it rattling through my bones. I couldn't identify exactly what that was at that stage, but I do remember that it deeply moved me. And then I remember crying and feeling deeply embarrassed about crying in front of all of these new people that I didn't know. What I realise now is that the wairua that was deep within me as a Māori man was starting to resonate, that this no longer served its purpose regarding drugs and alcohol. Kua takoto te manuka, when we look at these concepts of challenges, often there'll be a lot of internalized processing, there'll be a lot of thoughts that can go on inside my mind. Quite often what will sit behind that is a very, very quiet whisper that I now realise come from my ancestors, that it comes directly from my tūpuna, which always quietly whispers to me, if not you, then who? I hear that to be my ultimate challenge, to continue to move forward, to restore my whakapapa back to the way of my tūpuna, because we never had any of these substances in their era. So, kua takoto te manuka, continuing to challenge myself to make the next right decision and the next right choices for me and my children. Kia ora.